Hello students, how are you? Today we will discuss about this question. Let's first read this question. Three identical spherical cells, each of mass m and radius r, placed as shown in figure. Consider an axis x dash which is touching two cells and passing through diameters of the third cells which is touching two cells. Suppose this is 1, this is 2 and passing through the diameter third cells. It means this is first spherical cell, this is second, this is third spherical cell. Okay. So moment of inertia of the system consisting of these three spherical cell about x dash axis is. Okay. So let's solve this question. First we know that the moment of inertia about any spherical cell about the diameter is I about the diameter of any spherical cell is 2 by 3 mr square, where m is the mass and r is the radius of the spherical cell. So the moment of inertia of third spherical cell is 2 by 3 mr square because the axis passing through the diameter. But I tangent, we know that the spherical cell 1 and 2 are passing tangentially to the axis x dash. Okay. So I tangent of the first spherical cell is 2 by 3 mr square plus mr square. How this is possible? This is possible due to the theorem of parallel axis. According to theorem of parallel axis, the moment of inertia about any axis is equal to the moment of inertia passing through the center of mass plus mass of the body and square of distance between two parallel axes. We know that. So the moment of inertia of first spherical cell will be, we can add this will be 5 by 3 mr square. Okay. Since all spherical cells are identical, so I1 is equal to I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 5 by 3 mr square. So the moment of inertia of total system or entire system will be I3 plus 2 into I1 because I1 is equal to I2. So I is equal to I about the x axis is equal to, this is I3. This is the moment of inertia of I3. So I is equal to 2 by 3 mr square plus 2 into 5 by 3 mr square. Okay. So I is equal to 12 by 3 mr square, that is equal to 4 mr square. So our moment of inertia of the system about axis is 4 mr square. That is the option number 3. So thank you students.